Hi, I'm Marilena Branco, Global Application Specialist at Biorigin. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a great plant-based butter loaded with flavor and complexity using a special Umami yeast extract, Bionis YE MXE NS, a non-salt yeast extract naturally rich in umami. This plant-based butter recipe is based on coconut oil and also cashew beverage. You are going to use a food processor to help to mix very well all the ingredients. And now the cashew nut beverage. Canola oil, annatto color, lecithin and salt, and the yeast extract Bionis YE MXE NS. Mix well until get everything homogeneous. After mixing well all the ingredients, you need to put in a plastic or a silicone form to help give the final mold for this recipe, like a butter shape bar that we found in the market. And put in the refrigerator just to this to cool down and solidified. After setting this into the refrigerator for some minutes until hard, okay? The yeast extract Bionis YE MXE NS that we are using here helps to develop a specific savory taste, umami, and bring very good mouthfeel, creating at the same time the taste impact of this recipe.